Let us start our discussion on iris flower data 3D plotting. The iris flower dataset is available in the R data library. Now let us load the library RGL. RGL is the library which we are going to use for 3D plotting, and if you have not installed the RGL package, first install it and then load the library. Let's display the head and tail of the dataset. So this comprises of Setosa, versicolor, virginica, 3 types of flowers, and each of 50 numbers. Now let us define the colors in terms of the species, which is 5, column 5. Let's run this code. Now let us plot the first 3 columns, that is the sepal length, sepal width, petal length. Then color is colors plus 1. I am giving plus 1 because 1, 2, 3 will be starting with black and I wanted to start with red. And size is 8, X lab, Y lab, Z lab is defined. So now let us plot 3D. So it opens in a separate device. Let's have a look at it. So this gives a very clear picture of the sepal length, petal sepal width, sepal length, sepal width, and petal length. So this is Setosa. This is versicolor, green is versicolor, red is Setosa, green is versicolor, and blue is virginica. And in terms of the length of sepal length, sepal width, and petal length, you should be able to understand from the 3D graph. The sepal length is very small for the Setosa, and petal length and petal width also. And the sepal length is moderately higher for versicolor, and it is really high for virginica. Similarly, the petal length and petal width also we should be able to analyze, and the sepal width is higher for the petal length is higher for versicolor and virginica, and the Setosa petal length is smaller only, right? So that is the advantage of 3D plotting. Now let us close this window, do the other plotting of in solids. Let's plot the same thing as solids, the same device. Let's maximize it. So the same thing is plotted, the same sepal length, sepal width, and petal length is plotted in the 3 dimension as solids. Now let us plot columns 1 to 4. Columns 1 to 4 are 1 is 1, 2 sepal length, sepal width, and 4 is petal width. Let's plot this graph in 3 dimension. Again in the same 3-dimensional device. So this indicates the sepal length and sepal width is low. Petal width is also low for Setosa. Versicolor and virginica, they have a higher value. Versicolor has got a moderate value, and virginica has got a higher value of the petal width. Petal width and petal length is higher for versicolor and virginica both. So let's close this 3-dimension graph, and this command makes you write the device. So let's open the device again. This device that we have maximized now, let's keep it in this position and then issue the command for printing. So this PDF will be available in the form as it is appearing here now. Let's close the device and let's have a look at the output. It should be there. Yeah, the way it was positioned by us, it is showing, right? So this is how we position the device, and this printout is looking similar to the one. The author, Dr. A. Rajagopal, can be reached at arg1962@gmail.com.